This is my bedroom. And there's a patio outside this door. And look. That's from outside. Water is actually coming in here. This is what I have to go through. Can you hear the roof? It felt like the roof is about to. Can you hear it? Look at the walls. You don't see the walls moving? Look. The walls is shaking, even the roof. Please pray for us. Please pray for us, everyone. Please pray for us. Me and my baby, everyone that stay in the apartment building, we stuck right here. Please pray for us. I'm asking y'all, please pray for us. Pray for Abigail, please. I'm begging y'all. My baby's only 4 months old. Please pray for us.
Can't even get inside.
You gotta kick it.
No, kick it. You wanna see all that? The roof in there.
Oh!
See that? The roof in there. Everything going.
And she... Angie, your apartment. Oh my God, Angie, the window.
I know. Hello?
Her baby car seat. We need help. Please, someone please come help us.
Hello? Yeah.
We can't go outside. We still stuck inside.
Hello?
Thank you.
Huh? Yeah, I know. You come in.